So, very good afternoon and a very warm welcome to all our viewers for yet another session of Right to Home, sponsored by Prop Tiger. Today, we have our esteemed panelists with us. Mr. Kushal Bhatia has joined us from Hero Homes, who would be talking us about a project called Hero Homes at Dwarka Expressway. Welcome, Kushal.
Hi Virat. Hi to
And
all the viewers.
we have also on the call Mr. Deepak Dureja, who has joined us from proptiger.com. Welcome, Deepak.
Thank you, Virat. Hi, Kushal. How are you doing?
Hi Deepak. Great.
Well, I would like to tell our viewers that this Right to Home event is about helping prospective home buyers meet all the A and A plus category developers across Gurgaon and help them decide on their dream home after knowing, detailed insights about each project in the vicinity. So today we have Mr. Kushal Bhatia, who has joined us from the Hero Group, which is the real estate arm of the known Hero Group. Why don't you tell us a little bit about Hero Group, Kushal, to start the call with?
Yeah. So hi everyone. I'm Kushal Bhatia this side. I'm representing Hero Reality Private Limited. So we have our developments in Haridwar, Ludhiana, Mohali, and then we moved to the Millennium City, Gurugram, way back in 2018. So we have a project in sector 104 on Dwarka Expressway, Gurugram. So I will be taking through a small project AV first to all the viewers, and then I'll have a small brief about the project. What exactly is the configuration? How many towers, and what exactly is the project all about? And that's it.
So I would like to tell our viewers that there's a short video lined up which will quickly tell us about the whole project. Before that, we have Mr. Deepak Dureja. We would like to know a little bit about proptiger.com. How is it that you are assisting home buyers during these times?
Thank you, Virat. Hello to all viewers who have joined us today. Thank you so much for coming in and sparing some time for us. Well, if I tell you a little about Prop Tiger is one of the leading real estate broking firm, which is completely driven on PropTech model, and we are probably one of the first PropTech of the country. And we are happy to share that we have more than 25,000 satisfied, very, very satisfied home buyers with us, and we have sold properties across of all the top developers. So we are proud to be associated with Hero here. And thank you so much, Kushal, for joining in today. And let's see what Kushal has to present here for Hero Homes.
Sure. There's a great deal to talk about Prop Tiger now that you've shared that you have more than 25,000 customers. We'll come back to you, Deepak. But before that, let's watch a quick short video of Hero Homes, which is a project at Dwarka Expressway, Sector 104. Uh, I suppose there is a technical glitch because of which the video has stopped. Nonetheless, we can always talk about this project in detail and hear more from Mr. Kushal Bhatia, who has joined us live for this event, Right to Home. Mr. Kushal Bhatia, I would like to know a little bit from your side. What are the key USPs of this particular project? And also, I hope you understand for any home buyer, be it an end user or an investor, what is very important is the location and any future developments, that may come up in the area. So why don't you tell us quickly about the project USPs, and also if you could share the scope of development in a location like Dwarka Expressway.
So, Virat, the biggest USP of our project is that it is bang on Dwarka Expressway. It is in sector 104. And few of the key distances from our location would be like, if you talk about Dwarka, it is just at a 10 minutes drive. IGI Airport would be another 25 minutes drive. Then key focal points of Gurgaon like Udyog Vihar, Cyber City, and Medanta Hospital would be, say, at a distance of about 30 minutes drive. So the kilometer-wise, the radius for the Gurgaon, the key locations like Cyber City and Udyog Vihar are 10 kilometers. Medanta Hospital is at about 12 kilometers from our location. Dwarka is about 10 kilometers, and airport would be around about 15 kilometers. And bang opposite to our location or the site, we have an institutional belt. There are already schools which are operational here, like Delhi Public School, Gurugram Global Height, Imperial
Nice.
Hayate. There's a proposed medical college also coming up across the site. That is a proposed site. And then talking about the commercial aspects. So we have malls and high street retail across this diagonally opposite to the site in sector 106 and 109. So there are 4 commercials which are coming up, out of which 3 are ready and 1 is under construction right now.
Great.
So these are at a radius of about 1 to 1.5 kilometers. Talking about the hospitals, so there are 2 currently which are near to the site. One is Columbia Asian Palam Vihar, which is at a distance of say about another 7 kilometers, and say about 12 minutes drive from our site. That is the current scenario. And then there's a Park Hospital, Signature Hospital by Park Group, that is in sector 37D. That is also at a distance of say about another 10 kilometers, same time, 15 minutes drive. Then there's an AIIMS Jhajjar coming up. That's already the OPD is operational. That is at a 35 minutes drive from our site. So there's a small brief about the social infrastructure, which is in the vicinity of our project. Now, coming to the key USPs is that one I started earlier, that it's bang on Dwarka Expressway. So once we enter from the expressway, just hardly 100 meters is the main entrance gate. So now the other USP is that it is there is zero vehicular movement on the ground level. So from the main entrance of the entire project, your car goes straight to the basement. There is zero vehicular movement. There are no roads on the ground surface. We have 2 level of basement parking there. Then
Nice.
there is no EWS as well as no revenue road. It is a clean rectangular patch which we have at our site. I guess the presentation would be there. So I'll just show you the master plan brief out about there. So that is already planned up. And we have a configuration of say about 2 BHK, 3 BHK compact sizes starting from 1099 square feet and ending up at 1689 square feet. Then the overall ground coverage in the entire project is just 15%. 85% is the green space. And the shadow analysis process, so no tower is coinciding each other. Every apartment has a clean green view for the in the project. So these are few of the key features. And currently we are offering the concept of smart homes here. So that I can take you in my presentation once we move forward.
I believe the video is ready with us. Why don't we take a look at the video quickly, and then we'll move to Deepak to ask a few more questions around the project. Sure. If we could have the video on, please. Okay, there seems to be some connectivity issue again. Not to worry. Deepak, coming to you, you've served more than 25,000 customers and helped them buy their dream home. Uh, what is your take on the as far as the location is concerned, Dwarka Expressway as a location for an individual who is looking to invest or maybe get a home for their personal use?
Virat, I tell you, Dwarka Expressway is one very talked about and one very hyped up location. I tell you, it started way back in 2008. The project was launched. The Dwarka Expressway will come, something which will connect Delhi, Dwarka. The road will go till Manesar, and lot of developers and lot of people could see a lot of scope happening there. But due to various reasons, the project got delayed for a very long time. And I think now is the stage when even the Prime Minister, PMO, has got involved in the project. And recently, a statement was being released from Mr. Narendra Modi's desk. In fact, it was there in all the newspapers that no matter what, the Dwarka Expressway will be delivered latest by 2020. Right, right, Kushal. This was something.
Yeah, the final deadline which we got in the newspapers was September 2022.
Exactly.
Yeah, yeah.
And in fact, once if you visit there today, you'll find a lot of very good projects in the vicinity, a lot of good developers around, a lot of development happening. As a matter of fact, the project has been allocated to L&T, Larsen and Toubro, and they are doing the construction of this expressway, and work is going at a very very fast pace today. And I tell you, once the expressway is delivered, this is the place. This is the place. This will be the hottest spot probably in the country, where you have so many good brands available. Hero is definitely there leading the show there, right on the main road at the main location, and and it is very well connected. Infrastructure is going to be amazing. So we have really good hopes in coming future as far as Dwarka Expressway. And it's very strategically located. Once it's delivered from airport, you'll hardly take 15 odd minutes to reach the location.
Absolutely. So the connectivity looks promising as shared by Deepak. Kushal, a question to you as a developer brand. What is the principle that drives your company? I would like to know.
So there are, Virat, we have three core values on which our projects are being, on which our company's vision, you can say, that's trust, care, and nurture. So trust is what exactly is the trust our customers or the home buyers have in our brand. Care is how we provide them the end support or the customer support after they book an apartment with us. And nurture is for coming for the partners as well as for the home buyers, how we nurture them. So basically, how well we keep on giving them updates or giving them new offers or new schemes regarding our development. Apart from that, we have 4 design pillars on which our projects are being developed. One is creativity. So we have in all our projects, we keep on a creative aspect, what best we can do with the master planning part. Second comes the fitness part. So fitness is the most important aspect nowadays in everyone's life. So we keep on having like jogging tracks, cycling tracks, or the sports activities areas in our projects once they are designed. Third is the sustainability. How well the project is sustainable to the environment. So what best we can do, how to keep up the environment or the CSR part. And lastly is the community part. So we have a concept, a small program here, Home Clinic. So where we keep on organizing events at our ongoing sites. So just to know, to call the customers and to give them the updates about the development, what's the construction status. And the idea behind behind that program is that you actually know your neighbor before you start living. So we keep on organizing Diwali events, Holi events, Lodi events at our ongoing locations. So that's basically the core values on which our projects being developed.
Great. I got a clear feeler that the connectivity is great, and the location is quite promising, and that's the same and simple reason why all the major developers are eyeing this particular location in Gurgaon, which is Dwarka Expressway. How do you compare with projects in the vicinity? Kushal, I would like to know, how does Hero Homes Dwarka Expressway compare with so many other projects which are mushrooming in that area now?
So if I talk about the comparison part, so two, three major pointers which we have regarding our projects. Earlier I told you regarding like, so there are, it's bang on Dwarka Expressway. So the most important thing is that it's surrounded by commercial projects. So any particular development or a residential development which is bang on a national highway and has commercial projects surrounding to it would give you a better appreciation, say in future, as compared to other projects which are on a 60-meter road or on a 75-meter road. Then second part comes the zero vehicular movement. So you get a green, more of the green area. So your ground coverage is gets lower in that. And we are going vertically high. So we haven't increased the number of towers. We have increased the height of the towers. We're going vertically high. So we have ground plus 26 floor structures and ground plus 35 floor structures with 4 to a core and 6 to a core apartments in each tower.
Can we see any presentation? I believe we have a presentation with us which can help our viewers understand the project a little better. Why don't we see the presentation on the screen and
yeah, so if I talk about, I stated it earlier in my start of the presentation that the project is bang on Dwarka Expressway. Now you can see the Dwarka Expressway and the distance between the side is just hardly 100 meters. So if you talk about, that's a Google map image. So Dwarka Expressway is on the red markations. Then the arrow is the internal road from which we enter. And then the central rectangular patch, that is our project. So the biggest USP is that it's bang on Dwarka Expressway.
Okay, great. So Deepak, are you there with us? Yeah, a small question. I see that, PropTiger is one of the largest online real estate advisory firms in the market, and then you've served more than 25,000 customers, you mentioned initially. What would be a small advice to all home buyers who are looking at Dwarka Expressway as a location and looking at the current scenario? What would be your small piece of advice for any home buyer who is looking to buy a home now?
I think, Virat, with these trends that a lot of buyers have seen in the market, okay, a lot of customers have faced various multiple issues from developers. That delivery did not happen, that delay was there in the possession of the property, and various things. Like even if the delay happened, they did not get the committed delay charges and various things. Which eventually given birth to RERA. So I think my piece of advice to all the buyers watching this video is to choose the right name. Is to choose the right name to go for. It is very important to have a dependable developer. Very, very important. Everyone is making homes. So some developers make very fancy brochures. I think we should not go on fancy brochures and presentations, and we should really go for a credible name, a name which has a background, a name which has some sense of pride with them, some sense of responsibility and integrity, which is very, very important. And I think there comes the name of Hero Homes. Undoubtedly, one of the company, which has been setting benchmarks, which has been there in the league of Reliance and Tata and Birlas, and so is the Hero, and this is what one of the respected name in the Indian industry. So this is very important, very, very important. Then you should definitely look forward to who are giving your hard-earned money to. So this is what my piece of advice is.
Thank you so much, Deepak, for that advice. I'm sure our viewers must have heard this from PropTiger.com and would definitely take caution while choosing the developer. And yes, Hero, who does not know Hero as a brand, and Hero Realty is the real estate arm of the same brand. So Kushal, before we wrap the session, any closing remarks from your side? Anything that you would like to share with our audience?
So one thing is that making your investment on Dwarka Expressway. So this is the third major connectivity from Delhi to Gurgaon after MG Road and NH8. So there are a lot many projects coming up on Dwarka Expressway. So one thing that Hero defines or differs from other project, and I would request everyone to visit our site or the sample apartment, is the efficiency part. So what exactly is the carpet to super efficiency that Hero Homes is providing is uncomparable to any other project, because the ratio which comes out is close to about 20/80 ratio. So we
Okay.
have so we have a configuration of 3 bedroom compact sizes here, 1359, 1389 square feet, in which we are offering 3 bedroom plus 2 toilet, rather than other developers would be offering a 2 BHK only. So that is the configuration or the efficiency which we are offering to our home buyers. And then obviously comes the pricing as well as the payment plan options. So we have a customized payment plan options of like about 25, 25, 50. So where your initial outpay is just 25%. Then you next outpays 25% once the superstructure gets ready, which is roughly 2 years. And the balance 50% is at the time of nearing possession. So till the time the expressway comes up, say about 2 years, and after the infra gets ready about 1.5 years, you get the possession. So your initial investment or the initial risk factor, if you talk about in an under construction property, is quite less with us. So I would
Absolutely.
request to visit our sample apartment at our experience gallery in sector 104, and we can take forward for all the viewers about their what exactly is the configuration they're looking at and the home they're looking
Well,
for themselves.
thank you so much, Kushal and Deepak, for joining us. Would like to tell our viewers that the site visit to Hero Homes Dwarka Expressway is just a call away. You will have the numbers getting displayed on the screen. And I'm sure this was an insightful session for each one of us who was on the call, who was attending the session, also from the audience side. I'm sure you got to know a great deal about Hero Homes, which is present at Dwarka Expressway. Do visit them and understand what the project has to offer, and then stay tuned to know more about projects in the vicinity, and that'll help you decide on your dream home. Once again, my name is Virat. I'm signing off from this event. Thank you so much, both of you, for joining us. Thank you,
Thank you.
audience, for
Thank you.
being tuned to Right to Home by PropTiger. So
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah.